Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to install the superior Crescent Hill HD gas log set. Today we'll be working with the LVD24CHHD version gas logs. The first step will be to have your gas professional install the gas line to this side of the burner. From there, you'll set your burner in place on the hearth and install the gas logs. This burner has a number of pegs designed to hold the logs in a very specific position. This first log will be the rear log, fits on these back two pegs. The second log will be installed on the middle set of pegs. This third log will be installed on the very front. This fourth log will be installed on the outside. The fifth log is going to be installed on the front and the middle logs here. And lastly, the final log will be installed on the back and the middle log. With these logs in place, you're now going to mark the location of the burner. Take a permanent marker and mark the holes on the right and the left side. With the location marked, remove each of the logs as well as the burner from the hearth. With the burner removed, you will drill in these two marked spots on the hearth. Set the burner back in place, and with these two masonry screws, bolt the burner into the hearth. With the burner screwed into the hearth, it's time to put the logs back on. Lastly, you'll take the lava rock and you'll apply it along the sides and the front of the gas log set directly on the hearth. And that is everything you need to know about installing your superior Crescent Hill HD gas log set. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.